welcome back to the channel. Well, we got a call. Well, actually, a text. I don't get calls. Anyway, one of the things, we kind of dabble in a little bit of everything, and one of my colleagues zapped me to see if I could do him a favor and go pick something up for him. I foolishly volunteered and then found out I'm going to Nova Scotia. I live in Ontario. So, check this out. We're going to show you what we're getting and some of the trip. Hope you guys enjoy it. Get to see a little bit of Canada while we're at it. Alright, here we go. Well, we've jumped into Quebec, the province thereof, and yeah, pretty much looks the same as it did before. So, in case you haven't noticed, I'm not in the driver's seat. Hayden is. And yep, we have a little furry co-pilot. This is Zoe. So, anyway, back to driving and getting where we're going. We're doing good. We're still driving. We're now into the new day. As you can see, it is much sunnier. Nice day out. A little cool here, but not too bad. Sunny, and we've got 2 hours and 15 minutes to go. We haven't stopped as such yet. Hayden and I have been switching off, back and forth driving. So we should be there and get a look at this thing and figure out how to drag her back.
So the weather got pretty bad when we got there. I didn't get any video of picking up the piece of equipment. This is it here, and I'll explain more later.
All right, well, now that we've got it hooked up, it's back there, following along. Now we get the fun trip all the way back home. So we're almost to the Nova Scotia-New Brunswick border. Hop that, and then the next border is Quebec, and then finally back into Ontario. Don't know if we're gonna make Quebec today. We're getting pretty tired. We went all out yesterday into this morning. We just went straight there. We kept switching, each one have a little nap. So we're getting to the point where we're starting to get tired. So we're still spelling off each other, staying safe, but we're gonna get to the point where we're both too tired and we're gonna have to stop for the night, or yeah, it'll be night by then. So anyway, here's some scenery for you. Well, things could be going better. We just blew a tire. Now we're waiting for somebody to help us. We brought some tools. We can't even get these nuts undone. We tried. And we don't have another rim. We do have another tire. We'd gotten one of them, but nowhere was open to get that on. So we went without it and yep, paid the price. Now we gotta wait in the dark for somebody to come out and fix that tire. So this is what we ended up having to pick up. It's called a Nifty lift. This thing's got a 70-foot boom on it. So if you're paying attention, you notice the tires on it are nice and new. Now, so I'll have to put this video in the right way around. But yeah, last night, as you saw, we blew tires. Well, one, and then we had this one changed. There was a chunk out of it. It hadn't blown yet. So we just noticed though, now, our fender is not attached and just dragging along. So we're gonna get that tied up and out of the way before we head out again here. But yeah, this is what we ended up coming out to get. The Nifty lift. Pretty cool little unit. This is the brake system for it. This is actually the brakes. Your whole tongue. So when it starts chasing up you, it runs a brake cylinder and actually applies the brakes. Pretty cool. So anyway, we'll get that fender fixed. Alright, had a bolt in stock. I always carry spare parts when doing stupid things like this. So there we go. Now back on. No more rub the tire. We're good. Now to get home. Hey, we're at day 3. We're almost back. We got about another 600k to go. As you can see behind me, we're still together. Beast is still there. That bolt they put in did come back out again. Too much vibration, so we just took some paracord, tied it up, see how long that lasts. We're just trying to make sure it doesn't fall off altogether and or cause problems with the tire. But that tire's brand new. There's like 2.5 inches of tread on it. It's huge, so not really too worried about that. Just don't want to lose the fender altogether. Other than that, it's going good. It's been a long day. We got a beautiful sunset coming at us. Well, it was there. It's kind of gone now. But yeah, we're on our last leg. Get this thing back to where it's going and go from there. We got home. We parked it in the driveway. I barely made it fit. Then we pulled out. We got home at about 2:30 Monday morning. We had started out on Friday at noon. We were back to my place. We parked, we crashed, we got up in the morning, and we ripped it back over to Landon's, dropped it off, and, well, while we were there, picked up another run. So, I hope you enjoyed that. Here's the other short one. Another piece of equipment I picked up for them. And as I say, this is just one of the side things we do, added to everything else. So, and I'm off again. Today, don't have the co-pilot, just me, myself, and I, and the Ram, and we are headed out to get another piece of machinery for Landon. So, let's see how this one goes. Hopefully better than the last one. And we're off. Alright, well, we're all loaded up. We're now heading out. Got the chipper, got the lights on it. We're all good. So we are headed back out. Only as far as my place, and then I'll take it the rest of the way up tomorrow. So far, so good. Been a weird-ass day. We're at 7 degrees when I left my place. Went down to 4 degrees going through. It's currently 6 degrees. I've hit rain, snow, rain, sunshine, and now back to overcast and kind of So, been an interesting ride. Not very colorful. Anyways, we'll get this back to my place and then back to London. Okay, well, that's delivered. He's now got both pieces of equipment, and I'm back to life normal, maybe. So, hope you enjoyed. Hope you like. Please hit that like, hit that subscribe, share if you can, and stay tuned because now we're back to doing stuff on this one. It's time to finally get it out of the garage. We think we have all the parts this time, I hope. So, stay tuned, see what mayhem and problems we've been running into with that poor thing, and lots more to come. We got to get it out and play. And as you can see around me, behind me, we're now into spring. It's getting to the weather to go out and have some fun. So we got to get that thing done, get Moose back out on the trails. So I will see you next video.